Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Barclaycard address in just few easy steps. Step 1. Log into your Barclaycard online account via your web browser or mobile app. Step 2. Once you are logged in, go to your details or profile section, and this is usually located in the menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Look for the section labeled address or contact information, and then click or tap the edit button next to your current address. Step 4. Enter your new address details. Make sure that all fields are accurate, including postal code, city, and house number. Step 5. Click Save or Confirm to submit the changes, and you may be asked to verify your identity using a code sent to your phone or email. And step 6 is an optional step. If you have other Barclay products linked to your Barclay card, make sure to update those address too. And then that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.